One of the core bases of trust is you actually deliver what you promise. And for a variety of reasons, competition, shareholder pressures, and so on, we've got into a habit sometimes of over-promising, whether it's around efficacy, whether it's around value, whether it's around speed to market, and so on, and not necessarily delivering against that. So I think a big picture, there are some incentive issues. More generally, though, trust, as you said, is based on relationships. And what we actually need to do as an industry is relearn how those human interactions with patients, with our customers, and so on, can rebuild trust. So I'll give you some examples of some of the things we're doing. We have a drug in trials for polycystic kidney disease. It's approved in most of the world. The FDA chose 3 years ago to reject our submission and ask for another 1,400 patient trial. We'd worked directly with advocacy groups. There is nothing else approved for polycystic kidney disease. We made the decision to do that next phase 3 trial, even though the NPV was marginal at best in doing that. And that to me is around living up to our commitment to a patient group to try and get a new medicine for a chronic disease for which there is no medicine. So that to me is a great example of continuing to build on the trust we had. Other examples, we're active in digital medicine. We're actually looking at how we can combine a sensor with a pill that then reads to a patch and ultimately to a phone for the patient, the caregiver, their professional, to determine if an intervention is needed and how. Obviously, issues around privacy, adverse event reporting, other ethical questions. So right from the start, we integrated bioethics advisors, patient groups into how we think about that and how that could actually be used in the hands of patients. So I think the way I look at it is you have to build in every one of your activities. You have to build credibility, you have to build confidence, you have to only deliver what you say you're going to deliver, and you have to be candid too when things go wrong and when you're unable to deliver what you said you were going to.